Hey, welcome back to Adventures with Paw Paw. Yes, it is day 8. I had a trespasser in the woods yesterday. I'm out here a little bit earlier today. If I'm going to take a little walk around, probably won't sit in my stand. I'll probably just walk around the woods, see where this guy is, or see if he's set up anywhere. If he's got a stand, I'll take it down. I'll leave a note, tell him to contact me. This way, you know, if he wants to stand back, I can at least face to face and let him know, hey, you're trespassing, you're on private property, and I'd appreciate it if you don't come back. So I've had to deal with this over a number of years, and some people just don't get the hint, and I had to give out a few tickets here and there. Hopefully this is not going to be the case, but again, everybody knows that it's not your property and you should gain permission, and because it is a huge safety issue. So, but as you can see, I got my woolly hat on. Okay, temperature's dropping, so it's definitely not as warm as it was yesterday. Today I didn't even look at the temperature, but it's got a slight breeze and my hands are hurting right now. I got my GoPro on the front of me. Okay, I'm gonna turn that on while I'm walking through the woods, and just in case I have an encounter with someone. So, all right, well, let me get some gloves on and get my bow set up and get in the woods. Let's go see if we can find this guy. I walked around the woods just briefly where I thought I saw him. I didn't see any indication of any stands or anything like that. So, hey, doesn't mean that he wasn't there. He could have wandered in, sat down on a log. I had an older guy that lives in the back of my woods, on his property, not in my woods, but on the back side of my property. And I would see him early in the morning wandering the property line with his crossbow or his muzzleloader. And I know in my heart, my head, that he would wander in, find a spot inside my woods where I was just at, and he would just sit under a holly tree or in a laurel bush or in a blowdown, and he would come in and trespass all the time. It took me 15, 20 years to catch him, but I finally caught him. He messed up, and but that's on the other video. You have to go back and listen to that. I'm not going to relive that. But this person here doesn't necessarily mean that they have a stand with these crossbows today. They just sit down in a blowdown and wait for a deer to come by. So I did walk around and seen some good signs. Some scrapes, some rubs up on a hill that I used to hunt, which I don't hunt no more. So I think I'm going to move one of my stands back up on that hill and get it ready for maybe next season, because this season's almost a wash. So I'm just going to hunt the stands that I have now. But I climbed up in my stand, and hopefully that was the end of that. And hopefully I can drag a deer out of here. All right, day 8. The hunt is still on. Well, it's starting to rain. Just a light spit, but it's precipitating. I don't mind it. Hopefully it'll get the deer up and moving. We'll see, right? But I might have to cover up my camera here. So if something comes out and it's raining too hard, I'm not going to be able to video. Play it out.
A few minutes later.
Yeah, that was pretty cool, huh? Oh, them little baby deer, them little yearlings. He was having so much fun with that bag. I don't know what's in that bag or what it was used for. Probably blew in from one of the houses. I'll pick that up, but they're having so much fun with that. I'll pick it up at the end of the season and throw it in the trash. But I'm gonna leave it there and let them have fun with it. They were having a ball. They're yearlings. I didn't even have the heart. That was just so fun watching them. That's life in a tree stand, you know. Sometimes you can enjoy stuff like that. Even though I might have somebody hunting here, I'm not gonna let it ruin my hunting. If I catch them, I catch them. If I see them again, I'll go after them. But I'm gonna hunt. As you've seen, I just had 2 deer come in. So, I'll just let it be. Enjoy my time in the woods. All right. Unless something comes in the next 10 minutes. Don't forget to do all them things. It looks like a day 9's coming. All right. Hey, thanks for watching Adventures with Paw Paw. I'll see you on the next video.